In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to download Roblox Studio on iPhone. We all know that you can't find the Roblox Studio app in the App Store. So the simplest way to get the Roblox Studio app on iPhone is to head your Safari. And in the search bar, write Roblox Studio. You want to head to the official Roblox Studio website. Here, make sure to log into your profile. And once done, tap on the share icon right here. You will then scroll to the option of Add to Home Screen. You can rename the app to Roblox Studio or simply leave it as it is. And once done, tap on Add. The application bookmark will get added to your home screen. Now, instead of navigating through browser, you just want to head to the saved app bookmark to access Roblox Studio. Well, that's how easy it is to download Roblox Creator Hub on iPhone. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.